Oh boy, look at this beautiful, closely packed code. My boss is gonna be so happy when he sees this. I can already see the promotion coming in. Let the money start flowing in, boys. I'm so proud of myself, boy. Wait, who wrote this code? What kind of a crap is this? Bob, give this to Mr. Beast and recycle the paper. Unacceptable. Okay, you're fired. I mean, I'm pretty good at all of the backend stuff, so I can do all of the backend stuff. And wait, who's this? Hello? Wait, is it Dave? Yo, what's up, bro? Haven't seen you in like 3 hours. Yeah, what's up? I mean, like, I'm just chilling right now, bro. Oh my gosh, what now? Hello? What? I have 5 school overdues? What do you mean? I literally completed all of them yesterday. Wait. Oh my gosh, the stock prices are going up. I need to make a Python script that automatically calculates the best stocks you buy. But how do you do that again? There are so many tabs. My computer's lagging. My boss told me to make a website, but I don't even know how to code. So... Man, why is Wikipedia full of stuff I don't understand? Well, I guess it's time to do some, constructive learning. Yes, this is exactly what I need. Let's yoink that real quick. That also looks really good. I'm gonna go yoink that as well. Alright, time to write some code. I have no idea what I'm doing. Do you know what? I think I might as well just go and play some Fortnite, because I'm pretty sure that also makes you smarter, so like... There's no point in me trying here to program when I'm born to be a gamer. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed, make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on post notification. You know the drill, since you're all epic, beautiful gamers. And also, it was one of my best friend's birthday recently, so make sure you comment down below, happy birthday Eugene, to make his day better. He totally didn't point a gun at my head and make me do a shout out on YouTube, but I just honestly think it's a cool thing to do. But apart from that, that's it from me. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.